Khovela zai thiam lar ming thang country pop blue rock le gospel sathiam kopvek mizo tam berte poina kan du ron em Dolly part ni chuan ni zan lam India sana a zan lai pel dar som pahnih le minute som pariat am khan kum som riat mi ni in Nashville Tennessee a cancer nat na in athi a khovelina uya ke po in ka ui ve hle a USA president po in a ui na thu chak chuakin ani ang hi an piang to lawang ati hiala asun na tan USA flag po kar khat chung azar na atanga ti hniam turin thu a chua hiala ni chu wang chuan tun chuma hian Dolly Parton hlalar ber te zinga mi anun chanchin tak tak ni bok coat of many colors lo pian dan le atu tumbul ama hriat rengnan ka han soi ve ange he hla hi hla satlia ani lo anun chanchin ani a Bible atanga la kani bok engwai nge he hla hi kum som nga hnuwa po mi in an la tra pui lo ngai tharo le a chanchin tak tak Dolly hi Tennessee a chung kore thei taka alo seiliana unaw som pahni zinga apalina ani anu evili hian an then omnu in puan hlui rex apek te chu zom khomin Dolly Parton tan kor coat moi tak a thui sakani anu chuan chu akor a thui saklai chuan Bible thon thu Joseph akor moi coat of many colors chanchin kha a shil bokani Dolly chuan aduin alom ema skula hlim takin avaha a ma se a thian te chuan lo nui so in re thei em mai I korla a che si ti in nui za siam na nan lo manga ma se chung an nui zat na zong po chu henga tan ma ngai lawa a thin lung chung rila chuan Dolly I chuan kanu min mangai na atanga thui ani ti ka hria aman to ain a hlutna ana sa ti ka hria ati ve tlatani ti chuan akor anu in rong chi sang atanga a thui sak chu kumsang kha zakwa somruk pakwa khan hla in a phua chuak ta ani a hlatum le omzia re theina hi aza thak lo poisa tam tak ain mangai na hluzo kani ti a entir nu mangai na nu in fa te ta na thei to pa chua hian puan hlui po kha rang ka chak ai na hluzok thei ani ti ati langbok ani Bible lam Genesis bung som thum pasaria jacoban afapa Joseph adwat bi ka wanga korong sang a thui sak ang khan Dolly Parton po hi anu in a mangai na atangin he kor hi a thui sak ve bokani a thu thenkhat hantar langta ila although we had no money I was rich as I could be in my coat of many colors my mama made for me poisa kan nei lo ma se mi hausa berani in ka in hria kanu in a mangai na atanga ka kormoi tak min thui sakawangin engtia larta nge kumsang khazakwa somsari pakhata atlang zara country music history a la thaber za zinga atel nge ani he hla awang hian Dolly hi khovelin a mangai pha kumsang ni sompanga khan filma an siam hiala Netflix a a autobiography po he hlaming chia hi a mang bokani tunlai a chuan kan fate thil thale man tau tak kan leisak zo veka branded kan du vek ma se Dolly nu khan min zirtir chu thil man tau ain thinlung mangai na ne na in pek thui sakha poimo zo kani ti hi nang ino pan line eng thil nge inu le paten an thui an siam sak che hila hria em comment a lo soi vero le ka channel hi khonga in min lo subscribe theu turin ngai thatu te ka ngen ngal chewa ti chuan Dolly Parton ni hladang lar tak mai jolin te I will always love you ti te po achul dana zirin karon ti chuak le don ani min lo ngai thak sak tu zong te chunga lom thu ka soya in vai in hun man nuam vek ule
were the seasons of my youth, and I recall a box of rags that someone gave us, and how my mama put the rags to use. There were rags of many colors, but every piece was small. I didn't have a coat, and it was way down in the fall. Mama sewed the rags together, sewing every piece with love. She made my coat of many colors that I was so proud of. While Mama sewed, she told a story from the Bible she had read about a coat of many colors Joseph wore, and then she said, I hope this coat will bring you good luck and happiness. And I just couldn't wait to wear it, and Mama blessed it with a kiss. My coat of many colors that my mama made for me, made only from rags, but I wore it so proudly. Although we had no money, I was rich as I could be in my coat of many colors Mama made for me. So with patches on my breeches, holes in both my shoes, in my coat of many colors, well, I hurried off to school, just to find the others laughing and making fun of me and my coat of many colors Mama made for me. And oh, I couldn't understand that, 'cause I felt I was rich. And then I told them of the love my mama sewed in every stitch. I even told them all that story Mama told me while she sewed, and why my coat of many colors was worth more than all their clothes. They didn't understand it, and I tried to make